All right, children, what are we drawing today? What are we painting? Birds. Yeah, a bird. Yeah.
Daddy's going to get one. I'm going to get one and Mom get two.
Two birds. And on the background, we're going to do some flowers as well. Right? Are we ready?
Yeah.
So the first layer, first section of the canvas, you're going to do all blue on top. And then the bottom, we're going to do light green. All right? Let's get ready. So Jason's helping today to do the green part of the canvas. Good job, Jason.
Mom, I have a really green.
Yeah, first finish the blue, Hosanna.
The blue is finished.
Good, and Daniel started the green too. Good. Keep on painting, Jason. There's some spots you missed.
Mom,
Come on.
blue for me.
Green. Take some more green. So our students are busy painting. Hosanna is doing the green part, and Daniel has already done, and Jason helped me with mine. So we are ready for the next part. Now it's the exciting part. We're going to do the red flowers, and for that we're going to take our red paints. I'm going to show you one. Hosanna, pay attention. Okay, look at it. Look at it, Hosanna, Daniel. And then you're going to do petals falling around it. Okay, try it, children. Okay, look at it, Hosanna. Before you try, one second, don't try anymore. Anything? Okay. Just see the petals falling around. Okay, Hosanna, pay attention. Look at mine first. Look.
I look.
It's like half a circle of flowers. Okay. So look, Daniel, again. You do tap, 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 and then you're gonna do petals around. Hosanna, smaller petals, small flowers. We're gonna have. Remember the birds. The birds are the main focus.
The birds are going to be here.
Okay. Go ahead, Daniel. Okay, Hosanna, you're going ahead of us. You have to pay attention.
I know, Mom.
Danny, remember what I said? The petals are not on top of the flower. Petals are on the bottom. Okay, that's okay. Let it be only that flower. But the other flowers, the petals are on the bottom. Okay? All right, go ahead. Remember, Hosanna, small flowers, okay? And color inside the petals. Your petals are not colored. Can you color inside? Good job, Daniel. Good job, Hosanna. Pay attention to the teacher, okay? Petals falling on the ground. Not ground, like falling. It's not on top, okay? Hosanna, no petals on top. It's like on the bottom. Can you see all my flowers?
Why yours are up here?
No.
So that is the way the flower is. Okay? So first you do the middle part of the flower and then petals down. Small petal, take a lot of red. Hosanna, your color is not mixed. Good job, Daniel. Okay, keep on different levels. So not on the same line, but one flower on the bottom, one flower on the top. Good job. It'll all come out nicely afterwards. Keep on doing. So here we have done the beautiful flowers on the grass.
You like
Daniel's is nice and Hosanna's is nice. Now we're going to do some details. So take a little bit of black. Pay attention to mine, Hosanna.
pink.
Okay. And you're going to do a little bit of black around. Okay, Daniel, can you understand what I'm doing? Just like that. Around. Okay. Around.
Okay.
Just round, only half a circle. Can you see I'm only doing half a circle?
Okay.
Where the seeding part, gonna do half a circle around. Go ahead, Daniel. Just not a line, it's dot, 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 dot. Let's see my students. So around. Good, very good. Good. So now the next step, everyone has done their flowers, looks amazing. Now we're going to take a little bit of the green. We're going to do some stems for the flowers. Look what I'm doing, okay, children?
Okay.
Just going to do some stems, make it natural sticks. Make it natural. Yeah, natural. Some are long, some are short. Okay, good. Try it naturally. For each flower, there should be a stick, like a small branch. All right, go ahead and try, Daniel. Hosanna has done her sticks too.
Okay.
There's a stem for each flower. All right, so after that, we're gonna do some extra leaves with the green. Just put extra leaves as well. For each stem, you can do an extra leaf. Look at it, just extra leaf. Look at mamas, just do everywhere. Thin. Just filling up the place. Good job, Daniel. So each stem has a little bit of more small branches growing. Look, looks more fuller than. Good, I'm happy with my filling up. So extra green branches just to fill the space up on the background. Hosanna, there's some more needed here on this side. Good. Daniel, don't make it the same pattern. Okay, so first we're going to do is the head of the bird. So we're going to do a bluebird. So it's really critical that we get the bird right. Otherwise the whole painting will be a big mess. Hosanna, you're doing before I can instruct, okay? Pay attention. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do the body like this. So it's a flying bird. So first like a small oval, and then we're going to do the body long oval. Okay. Hosanna, look at mine first because you've done the body too big, okay? Wait till I finish, Hosanna. Okay, I'll just wait for y'all to finish this part. Now we are gonna do the beak of the bird. Okay, so it's like a hummingbird. So we're gonna do a very thin beak. Okay, very thin. Very thin, Hosanna. That's too big. That's okay. Now you do your own beak. Might be different bird.
I hated it.
Okay, so this one got a little fat in mine too.
I did mine.
Very good, Daniel. You've done a really good beak. My beak got fat too, so I had to fix the head. Very good, Hosanna. So if I got the beak fat, then I had to change the body a little more. Very good. Daniel's done a beak very thin. You've seen a hummingbird before. Hosanna, your bird is not a hummingbird. It's okay. You can do another bird.
No, this is a
All right.
different bird.
Okay, now we're gonna do...
Different bird.
Good. Now we're gonna do the back feathers. You're gonna do like that. Pay attention to mine first. Like a broom, okay? Strokes like a broom. Very thin strokes.
Like me?
Try to do more strokes, longer ones, because your bird is so big. Take more paints. So we're going to make the bird look more like a bird. So we're going to do the feathers. That's like here. We're going to do like that. And then same level. We're going to put like this. And it's going to be a lighter blue. We're going to do the feathers. So like this.
I need tissue.
Okay. All right. And then there is another. Remember there he has two of them. So we're going to do the next one.
Mom, not
Just going. Okay, I'll wait for y'all. Okay, I'm just showing. I have another bird to show anyway.
I'm
So,
done.
so the other feather on the bottom.
Done. Like this? Done. Done. Done.
Okay, no rushing.
Done.
Good. Okay, so remember your feather, the other feather has to come this way. Okay, color in between that. Blue color, don't mix it. Take the blue. Daniel, good job. See, Daniel's trying.
I'm done.
I'm trying to do the other feather now.
Love you.
Good.
Glitter.
Keep on coloring. Good job, Daniel. Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit of details for the bird. Hosanna, do you have red here? Wash your brush. Good. So we're going to take a little bit of red with a thin brush. Do a little bit highlight on the feather. First, let me finish one feather, and then you can have a look how it looks. Okay, see, there is small details on the feather. the bird's feather. Yeah, go ahead now. If I had taken a thinner brush, would have been even better. It's okay. Both the feathers, Hosanna. You have only done properly on one feather. Can you do on the next feather too? We're gonna do a little bit of work on his head now. Hosanna, pay attention. Little bit of dots on his body. Not too much. Little bit of the bird's body. Good job, Daniel, on your feathers.
What about me?
Good job, Hosanna. Okay, say, look now. The head of the bird, we're going to do a little bit of like a dust of red on the bird.
Like dials.
Yeah. And then we're going to, after that, go to the feathers. Good. Good. And then the feathers at the back also. Do a little bit, Hosanna. Did you see my feathers at the back?
I was waiting for Dad to do it.
Good. All right, now we're going to do is they're going to do the eyes for this bird. So remember, tiny eye, okay, on black. With black, little bit of black, do a dot on the eye. Okay, if you can't see, don't worry, we're going to do it a little more highlights. Good. Hosanna, now. Now, little bit of the feather. Just gently show that we can see the feather of the bird. Just lightly over the feathers, Daniel. Around the bird, do a little bit of a highlight. Not too much, okay? Make sure the feather, the wing has the nice black highlights. Hosanna, now the bird's wing. Can you see us doing the bird's wing? Go around the bird's wing. This is one. That is another one. Just do a black highlight. Okay? Come. We need to do a little bit highlight so that the bird will look like the bird.
Little bit highlight.
Next, we're going to do more highlights. We took some white and we're just going to do the eyes around so that you see it's a bird, okay? Small shade. We're going to do the black later on top. Do a little bit of shades to do the wing. So take a little bit of white. Do the wings again with the white.
Why? Oh, here.
No rushing, everyone. Slowly. Try to not to mix the white. Do a little bit of feathery way. Little more details of the bird. Yeah. Very good, Daniel. Do a little bit of white highlights on there too. Hosanna, have you finished yours?
Yeah.
Okay. You haven't used your white?
I'm done. I'm gonna put my name now.
Okay, we have to wait for us, Hosanna. Don't put your name yet. We haven't done yet. You have to wait till us.
Where's my black? Oh, I need black. I'll do red.
Very good, Daniel. I like your bird. Good job. Just do a little bit highlights on the body as well, so that it's not just around.
Done.
You don't need any more white, just with the brush. Just do it.
I'm done.
Yeah.
No? What? There's no dog there.
Yeah. Just
There's
do,
no
yeah.
dog.
That's good. Just inside, you can just do a little bit of light highlight so it looks like feathers. Just so that it looks more like a bird. Good. All right, are you all happy with your
I'm going.
painting? Daniel, do a little bit of so what you can do is with the little bit of white, just do a little more shades of dark white. Yeah, you can do your initial now with the white in small letters. This is Mama's ones, two birds
I
flying.
did already mine.
Okay, did you do your initial? Good. This is Hosanna's. That's Daniel's. Good. Everyone did their own thing. Looks so lovely. Hosanna, did you enjoy it today?
Yeah.
This is Daniel's painting. It's beautiful, Daniel, your bird. And Hosanna, that's yours. Beautiful. And Jason, come, that's Mama's one. But Jason helped with the background, right? Good job. Good job, everyone. Good job.